These are her first batch of kids. They love seeing their mom. They're little bratty boys. This is Snowy. Hi, Snowy. Snowy is my prodigal cat that returned home. You can still see the kittens out there playing. Uh-oh, my battery's about dead.